Please make your way in. We're going to play a game show, Gophers Say, and this is also going to be recorded for Go Time, the podcast, and that means you'll be heard on the podcast, and that means you got to make a lot of noise. Go on then, yeah, let's do it. Okay, well, we're going to welcome the players. Come on, Tamir, come on in. Who else have we got? Conrad's here. V Körbes. We've got Robert Burke. We've got Ronna. And we've got Natalie Pistunovich. Okay, so the game, let me tell you about this game. You're going to love this.
This episode is brought to you by SourceGraph. SourceGraph is universal code search to let you move fast, even in big code bases. Here's CTO and co-founder Byung Lu explaining how SourceGraph helps you to get into that ideal state of flow in coding.
The ideal state of software development is really being in that state of flow. It's that state where all the relevant context and information that you need to build whatever feature or bug that you're focused on building or fixing at the moment, that's all readily available. Now the question is, how do you get into that state where you don't know anything about the code necessarily that you're going to modify? That's where SourceGraph comes in. And so what you do with SourceGraph is you jump into SourceGraph. It provides a single portal into that universal code. You search for the string literal, the pattern, whatever it is you're looking for. You dive right into the specific part of code that you want to understand. And then you have all these code navigation capabilities, jump to definition, find references that work across repository boundaries, that work without having to clone the code to your local machine and set up and mess around with editor config and all that. Everything is just designed to be seamless and to aid in that task of code spelunking or source diving. And once you've acquired that understanding, then you can hop back in your editor, dive right back into that flow state of, hey, all the information I need is readily accessible. Let me just focus on writing the code that implements the feature or fixes the bug that I'm working on.
All right, learn more at sourcegraph.com and also check out their bi-monthly virtual series called DevTool Time, covering all things DevTools at sourcegraph.com/DevToolTime.
Let's do it. It's go time.
Welcome to Go Time, your source for diverse discussions from GopherCon Europe. This is our special live episode on stage at the event, so please forgive the less than awesome audio quality. Live show audio is like a box of chocolates. You just never know what you're going to get. Special thanks to our partners at Fastly for shipping Go Time super fast to wherever you listen. Check them out at fastly.com. And to our new partners at fly.io. Deploy your app servers close to your users, no ops required. Learn more at fly.io. Okay, BMC, cue up that Gophers Say theme song.
Hello, welcome to Go Time, a very special edition live from GopherCon EU 2022 in Berlin. Say hello, everyone. Okay, so the purpose of the game is, what we've done is we've asked 100 Gophers lots of questions, and the two teams here have to guess the top answers that were given. So any answer that received 5 or more responses will appear on the board, and it's up to, you get that many points as how many people answered. So some of them will be worth a lot more, the more popular ones. We're going to take turns. We do a face-off to start with, and this is where a team captain from each team will have a guess, and the one that gets the best answer takes control of the board. We will then round robin through the team, and they'll have the opportunity to guess the answers. But be warned, you only have 3 lives. If you lose the 3 lives as a team, the other team gets the chance to steal. Stealing is essentially, you just have to get 1 correct answer, and that's it. You can take all of the points. So stealing's key to this success in this game. Now, throughout the game, there's no conferring unless you're working as a team to steal. So it's important that you answer independently. We haven't got time to meet the team, but, just look at them.
Well, we have time now, so I will introduce them. Team 0 is GopherCon organizer and GoTime panelist Natalie Pistunovich, Ronna Steinberg, who is an engineering manager at Delivery Hero, a Google developer expert, a Woman Who Go organizer, and GoTime's Unpopular Opinion Hall of Famer, and Robert Burke. Robert has avidly played with Go for fun since 2009, and lately gets to do it for work, which he finds terribly exciting. His talk at GopherCon was called Stream Processing End-to-End with Go. Team 1 is comprised of V Körbes, an international speaker, DevRel extraordinaire, occasional writer, and Best Hair Award recipient. Tamir Bahar, an advanced technologies team lead at JFrog who gave a talk on generating generators, and Konrad Richie, a software engineer at Reddit who works for the ranking platform team and gave a talk about the Go-based ranking system he helped create. And Mat Ryer, he's also there. Back to you, Matt.
Okay, so who's going to be the team captain for Team 0?
Who wants to be our captain?
Natalie, okay. And for
Alright.
Team 1?
Except
V?
for in Team 0.
Okay, so Natalie, we'll start with you. I want you to have a guess. The first question is, where is the first place you turn for Go knowledge?
The internet.
The internet. Okay, you say the internet. Gophers say? Yes, it's on the board. Woo! Top spot. Okay, so V, I'm afraid you don't even get a chance to guess. They've taken the board. You can't beat them.
I was going to say it's your DMs.
Well, okay, let's hang on though, because you might give these ideas. Okay, Robert, it's your turn. Have a guess. See if you can get one of these. You've got 25 points already.
Where's the first place you turn to for Go knowledge? Package.go.dev?
Okay, the Go docs, maybe.
Yeah.
Go for say?
Hey!
Yeah, we have. Oh, go.dev specifically. Well done, Robert. And that's the second answer.
Oh, wow.
Okay, Ronna.
My guess is going to be Arden Labs.
Arden Labs. Go for say?
Oddly specific.
Oh, I'm afraid not, no, although it is an excellent resource. Okay, one life down. Natalie, your turn. Quick as you like, Natalie.
Reddit.
I just should say, go.dev specifically was the answer, not the general one that I gave it. It's not a clue, but what's your answer?
Reddit.
Reddit. Go for say? No, a car crash of an
False.
answer. Robert, that's 2 lives down now.
Go for Slack?
Go for Slack. Go for say? No, and that's 3 lives down. That means you now have a chance to steal Team 1. You can confer. You can confer.
So we need to confer.
Yeah.
We're conferring now, excuse me.
Confer then. Don't tell me you're conferring. Confer. Put the microphone up to your conferring, please. Confer into the mic, please.
Oh, okay, sorry, we're conferring into the mic now.
So I said, Twitter.
Don't tell them you're conferring into the microphone. Just confer into it.
I told hell to confer into the mic.
Confirm.
Okay, so we're between Twitter, Stack Overflow, and Matt's DMs.
Yeah, it's a hard choice.
Okay.
Let's go with Twitter.
Yeah. Twitter.
Okay, you say Twitter. Go for say? No, I'm afraid not. That means Team 0 takes all of those lovely points. 46 points you get there. Well done, yes. Round of applause. Okay, and I can just tell you, 4 people said Stack Overflow. I did get a mention from 1 person, but Bill Kennedy, actually, 2 people said that they get their answers from Bill Kennedy himself.
I said Arden Labs.
You did?
I said Arden Labs.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, yeah, not enough people said it to make it onto the board.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, let's have a look. So let's see what was in answer number 4 then. It was Go Time. Oh, it's not rigged.
Seems
There we
reasonable.
go. And at number 3, the docs. Yeah, okay, so fair enough. Okay, great. That's round 1. Round of applause as we go into round 2. So now we need two different captains. Robert and Tamir, you're going to be captains for this round. The question is, we asked people to describe the Go language with just one word. What word did they say? Tamir?
I guess I'll go with simple.
Simple. Gophers say? Yes, it's on the board and it's the top answer. And yes, you've stolen straight away. Okay, so you want to go that way around? V?
Cute.
Cute. Okay, that's a brave one. Gophers say? No, turns out gophers aren't.
Y'all are wrong.
Yeah. Okay, Konrad.
Let's see, there are many words I would like to say, but I think at least fast.
Fast. Ooh, I don't know why I'm doing it like a ghost. Let's see. Fast. Gophers say? Yes. It's at number 5 there. 5 delicious points. Tamir, back to you.
Guess I'll go with fun.
Fun. Okay, let's see. Gophers say? Yes, it's on there. And it's in position 3. So we're still looking for 2 and 4. We have simple at the top there with 28 points. Fun is in 3rd place with 9 points. Fast is in 5th place with 5 points. Konrad, what are the other ones, do you reckon? Oh, sorry, it's V's turn.
I thought I was dead.
Sorry?
I thought I was dead.
Yeah, you keep going. You're not dead.
Okay. Elegant.
Sorry?
Elegant.
Elegant. Gophers say? No.
What's wrong with y'all?
Konrad. Okay, so you've lost 2 lives now, both V. Konrad.
I can think of a negative word, but this is GopherCon, so I will go with complete.
Complete. Very interesting. Gophers say? No. And that means Team 0 has a chance to steal. That's 3 lives down. 42 points on the board here. You're allowed to confer.
Into the mic.
Confer into the mic. Confer into the mic.
Safe? What do you say?
Oh, safe is good.
How do you feel about
Yeah, tell us what you're thinking.
Efficient, I would say.
Efficient.
Readable.
We already had fast.
Yeah.
Into the mic, please.
Yeah.
It's a podcast, remember?
Do we want to go with safe or efficient?
Okay. There's the remote there. Yeah. Okay, what do you think then? I'm going to have to press you for an answer.
So like Windows is updating on this
We're conferring. Let's go with useful.
Yeah, or
useful or
Yeah.
safe? Or,
useful or safe.
Okay, as team captain for the moment, I'm going to go with useful.
Useful, that's a great answer. Let's see if it's on the board. Gophers say? No, I'm afraid not, but that means Team 1 take those points, and now let's have a look at the scoreboard there. Yes, round of applause for Team 1 there. Team 0 have 46 points, Team 1 has 42.
We're so good.
Okay, let's see what was at number 4 in this one. Awesome, 7 people said that, would have got you 7 delicious points. And at number 2, opinionated.
Oh, wow.
12 points.
That's fair.
Round of applause as we go into round 3.
I submitted that
This episode is brought to you by our friends at Square. Develop on the platform that sellers trust. Support Square sellers by building apps for today's business needs. As a Square app partner, you can reach millions of business owners searching for trusted software solutions. As a Square Solutions partner, you can get hired by sellers on the Square platform, find new clients, and build apps that meet their needs. Square loves developers. They work hard to enable you to launch fast with their developer tools. You get a full sandbox environment, an interactive API Explorer, live event monitoring, backend SDKs for PHP, Ruby, Java, .NET, Python, and Node. You get secure payment SDKs for iOS, Android, React Native, and Flutter. You get it all. Learn more and get started at changelog.com/square. Again, changelog.com/square.
Okay, this is a very interesting question, I would say. And yet we got lots of answers. The question was, name an animal that reminds you of a gopher. Name an animal that reminds you of a gopher. So Ronna and Konrad are going to be facing off now on these to try and get this. So Ronna, you go first.
I am going to go for a guinea pig.
Guinea pig, okay. Gophers say? No one said that, I'm afraid. Konrad. Konrad's playing this game very seriously.
It hurts me a little bit to say this, but the animal that reminds me of a gopher is a gopher.
A gopher. Sounds crazy. Let's see. Gophers say? Yes, and it's the top answer.
Well done.
Excellent. Okay, Tamir, your team now controls the board.
So an animal that reminds me of a gopher, that reminds you of a gopher. I'm sorry, not me, you. I'll go with a bill.
You're going to go with?
A bill.
A bill. A bear. Okay,
Don't keep me on my accent.
Sorry, no. I thought you were insulting Bill Kennedy. Okay, a bear. Let's see. Gopher say? No one said bear. Okay. Never mind. V.
Okay, I'm gonna take a.
V, would you like to have a guess?
Okay, I'm gonna take a conservative stance this time. Let's go with hamster.
Ooh, hamster. Okay, let's have a look. Gophers say? Yes, it's on there. Position 3. 8 points there for hamster. Well
I
done.
think they continue, no?
Okay, you still have 2 lives left. Konrad, it's your turn again to have a guess. See if you can clean up this board, or get one of them.
Oh, here comes an unpopular one. How about a rat?
A rat, okay. This didn't go to Java programmers, this survey. Okay, let's see. Gophers say? No, I'm afraid it's not on there. You still have a life, though. And Tamir, it's your turn. I can tell you that rat did get 4 responses. 4 people said
So close.
Sorry?
So very close.
So very close.
I'm trying to think of animal names in English. It's tricky sometimes.
Yes, bonus points for people that are doing this where English isn't their first language. Tamir, what do you reckon?
Okay, go with something. Let's go with a mouse.
A mouse? How adorable. Gopher say? No, not adorable enough. And that's your 3 lives, so that means you've got a chance to steal these 23 points here. You just have to get one of them correct.
Let's confer.
Okay, it's like, I'm just throwing this out. This is going to be part of my Canadian bias here. How about a beaver?
Oh.
Same cute little buck teeth.
Or mold.
Mole?
Interesting.
Sometimes when I'm Googling for gopher pictures, I see how to
I got too many big
get
claws.
rid of moles and gophers.
And very beady
It's very
eyes,
sad.
no big eyes.
Okay, what do we
Ronna,
think?
You're our tiebreaker.
Name an animal that reminds you of a gopher.
Between those two, I think both make very good points.
Thank you.
Both made good points. It's very diplomatic
Being the
here.
manager she is.
Diplomatic if slow.
Take note. So what do you say to a beaver? I do actually think a beaver is a good choice.
Okay, is he going to lock it? Are we going to lock it in?
We're going to lock it
We're
beaver.
locking in beaver. Cruel. Gophers say? Yes! You steal the points. It was the second position with 13 points. That gives you 36 points that you get to steal. Let's see what else was on this board. At number 5, there was a marmot.
I had that thought,
Yeah.
but I didn't remember the name.
Vegemite, if you're in Australia, I think it is. And at number 4 was groundhog.
Matt,
And
I have
at number 4 was groundhog.
I have a question.
Go on, V.
Did it-
Sorry,
did it-
everyone, stop. V's got a question.
Did anyone say capybara?
Did anyone say what?
Capybara.
No, they didn't. We had rat, prairie dog, squirrel, Noodles the cat from Reddit, and one person said Mat Ryer.
Okay.
So that's not great for me. Round of applause as we go into the next round. Yes, now, this is go time, and we've got a very special round now. This is the unpopular round. So now we're looking for the least popular answers. Okay, so you get more points for the least popular answers there are. And there's no face-off, we're just going to go around, starting with Natalie. Which day of the week do you get the most coding done? Which day of the week do you get the most coding done? Natalie?
Monday.
Monday? Gophers say? Yes, it's on the board in place 3. 16 people said it, so for some reason you get 15 points. Okay, team 1, Tamir, let's have it. What day do you get most coding done? What do you think our Gophers said?
Let's see. Let's go with Friday.
Friday is a classic. Gophers say? Yes, it's on there. Well done. 9 people said it, so you get 25 points here. Because this is less popular, you actually get more points. It's unpopular round. Okay, Robert, what do we think?
Sunday.
Can you say that again in a more sinister way, please?
Sunday.
Oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay, Gophers say? No! You managed to find the one that's not on there. Okay, V.
I'm gonna go with Hump Day, so Wednesday.
Hump Day? Wednesday? Gophers say? Yes. It's no surprise, it's on there. Quite popular, so it means you just get the 10 points, but it's still good. Okay, Ronna, what do you reckon?
It's a very difficult decision to make, but I am a decision maker.
Sure.
I wasn't going for laughs, by the way.
The evil laugh.
I'm very upset with all of you. I'm going to go with Thursday.
Thursday, oh yeah, I remember that one. Gophers say? Sure thing. And it's there in number 4 position there, which gets you 20 points. Pretty good. So now we know the other remaining days, I think. We just have to, I hope, we just have to now see if we can get this one. So Tamir, what do you think?
So we've gone to Sunday and Monday, so I guess we'll go for Tuesday.
Tuesday. Let's see, Gophers say? Yes, but it was very popular. So that's the most popular day, a Tuesday. Kind of makes sense, maybe. Like Monday, no, you think that they're wrong? Yeah, okay, Tamil thinks you're wrong, everyone.
Hard question, I think you got this.
Okay,
But basically
Natalie.
we go differently in Israel, so you know.
We'll need to confer.
Natalie, if you can't remember which days have been, I mean, seriously, just go for Monday again. Let's see what happens.
I'll take Saturday.
Oh, it's Saturday. Let's see. Go for say? What? No. What? I'm afraid not. Okay.
Not Sunday,
Wait, so
not
it's
Saturday.
not Sunday and not Saturday?
So hang on, let's check your lives here. Yeah, but bear in mind, we asked this question, and they
yes,
gave us
Gophers.
answers.
Yeah.
We didn't give them an enum. We don't have them in Go. It's a string field.
Whose turn is it?
It's V Körbes go. Come on, V, you've got this.
Every day.
Oh.
Every day. Go for say? Yes! Literally said it, every day. And that was the least popular answer, which gets you 30 points. Let's check out the scores. Look at this. Team 1 has 112 points, but Team 0 edging into the lead there, 117 points. Round of applause for them, please. Okay, now, final round coming up, and this is, you're going to be excited. You're going to be very excited. I hope. Let me put it another way. Please just act surprised and excited. That would be... Okay, we'll cut this out of the edit of the podcast. But okay, coming up to our final round, and you're not going to believe it, it's double points!
Wow!
Yes, so basically, whatever the points were, you times it by 2. Okay, the question. Describe GopherCon EU with just one word. So which one word would people say? Let's do the face-off to see who's going to control the board. Natalie and V. V and Natalie. Let's go, face-to-face, into face-to-face. Go, pun. V, your turn first. What do you think? What one word would people use to describe GopherCon EU?
So I'm on the fence between feature complete, generic. Let's go with fun.
Fun, let's see. Go for say. Lovely, it's on there in place 2. 17 people said it, so if you put that through the algorithm, it comes out 34. It's not an algorithm, is it? It's just times it by 2. Okay, so Natalie, you still have a chance to take control of the board if you can get this top answer. Describe GopherCon EU with just one word.
Struggling not to toot my own horn here.
Oh, yeah.
But I will. Awesome?
Awesome. Let's see. Let's see if they said that. Go for say. Yes, they did. And it's the top answer.
Yay!
That means Team 0 takes control of the board and has the opportunity now to guess these the remaining 2 options. We've got awesome, we've got fun. Robert, describe GopherCon EU with just one word. What did I go for say?
In person?
Is in person one word? Who's got a hyphen in it?
Maybe.
Let's go back pace.
Robert, are you
camel
saying
case.
in person with a dash or without?
I'm going to say those were consolidated into a single response.
Wow. Okay. Impressive.
Okay. Is that your answer? In person? Okay, go for say. No, I'm afraid they did not say that. That's okay, though. You've still got 2 lives left. Ronna, what do you think? What one word do people use?
Well, to me, GopherCon Europe is Natalie, but I am going to go with amazing.
Amazing. That's a great answer. Let's see. Go for say. No, they didn't say amazing, but don't worry, you still have another life. Natalie, don't lose the life, essentially.
Educational.
Ooh. Is that your answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we confer? No, then this is my answer.
Okay. Go for say. No, no, they didn't say educational. Actually, I don't think anyone said that, which is an insult to all of us. Although, to be fair to them, this is happening right now, so they're onto something there. The other team now get a chance to steal, so you can confer into the microphone. Yes,
okay,
please
confer into the mic.
Yes.
What's your confirness?
Confirm.
Nothing, just says nothing.
Give us a suggestion, dude.
English as a second language.
I don't think they said that.
No, they did not. I think Berlin.
That's a word. What do you think?
I'm thinking about social.
Social?
Ooh.
Social. What if we go with party?
Party?
We can.
Okay.
This has been sent around when? Like 1-2 days ago?
Right.
So people were not partying yet.
Okay.
This was sent on Monday.
So tomorrow doesn't work either.
Okay, I have a very low-hanging fruit kind of suggestion. What about the word cool?
Cool.
It's not very creative, but we get the point.
So by raise of hands, who said cool?
Okay, well, I saw at least one hand here, so let's go with cool.
Okay, this is to steal the board and take these 72 points, and this is essentially for the game. Is cool on the board? What did Gophers say? Yes! it is. It's in the left position. And some other answers there. There were some quite... Well, let's have a look. Let's see what was at number 3 on this one. Number 3 was exciting. Would have got you 32 points. We had some amazing answers, though, but not enough of them. We also had Gopherlicious.
Matt.
We had rollicking.
Can you read the suggestions that mentioned your name?
No, those ones don't mention me, these. Oh, they do. Weird. Weird is genuinely one of the...
That checks out.
Yeah, Gosum, like Gosum, doesn't really work. Gotastic, which was also in there.
That's fun.
Inclusive, which is lovely. Yeah. And then someone, I don't know, this is lazy, just said Gophers.
Technically correct.
Yeah, fair enough.
I would use the word conference.
You would use the word conference, would you?
Oh my God.
I did not answer, so I did not use this word, but I would.
Yes. Well, let's have a look at the final points. Team 0, Natalie, Robert, and Ronna, you did brilliantly. You got 117 points. Very respectable indeed.
Woo!
Congratulations. But slightly more respectable, Team 1, you nailed it. You got 210 points. Well done, Tamir, V, and Konrad. Thank you so much for joining us with this live episode of Go Time and Gophers Say. Tune in next time. Tell your friends about the podcast, if you've got any. I have. Why are you looking at me like that?
This episode is brought to you by our friends at Retool. Retool helps teams focus on product development and customer value, not building and maintaining internal tools. It's a low-code platform built specifically for developers. No more UI libraries, no more hacking together data sources, and no more worrying about access controls. Start shipping internal apps that move your business forward in minutes with basically zero uptime, reliability, or maintenance burden on your team. Some of the best teams out there trust Retool: Brex, Coinbase, Plaid, DoorDash, Legal Genius, Amazon, Allbirds, Peloton, and so many more. The developers at these teams trust Retool as their platform to build their internal tools, and that means you can too. It's free to try, so head to retool.com/changelog. Again, retool.com/changelog.
Thank you so much, everyone. Tamir, V, Konrad, Ronna, Robert, please go away. Thank you so much, though. Round of applause again.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Okay, has anybody got one of these grey gophers? You do have one. Anybody else? 2 people? 3. So these are pretty rare then, I guess. And apparently lots of people have been asking for if these are for sale.
Yeah, a lot of people have been asking whether these are for sale. Next to the pink Gophers, next to the t-shirts and so on, and next to the blue plushies. And so far we've been saying no. And we have come up with an idea. And we really love GoBridge.
What is GoBridge?
Bill, can you tell us about GoBridge? If you feel like it.
What? No, I don't know. I could get hurt. GoBridge is an organization that started in 2015 to really try to help a lot of the community initiatives around education. So before the pandemic, we were doing tons of workshops really all over the planet. Natalie and I went to Kenya at one point, and we did one there. We supported people that wanted to give trainings, even locally at meetups. We support a lot of the conferences with scholarships. And there's a whole bunch of other initiatives that we're trying to do. The big one, actually, that might affect all of you already today is if you belong to a meetup, GoBridge, partnering with the GDN, we pay for the meetup fees. There's a whole big network of Gophers now because of that, and that's stuff I can show you if you're interested. So we're really kind of focused on a lot of community efforts, specifically around education mostly, and we work with the Go team as much as we can to kind of help out. So that's GoBridge.
Thank you. what we were thinking we can do with this beautiful plushie is to make an auction. And we so happen to have a person with a British accent in the house.
Hello.
So you can run an auction house.
Yes, I can have really fast like this. If you put that on half speed, that's how some people listen to the podcast, by the way, on 2-ton speed. It's like that. It's like me just going like that, talking about going really fast. So I'll just
Whatever he said, yes?
Yeah.
So we would like to bid this gopher for a donation to GoBridge. So if you would like to take this plushie from this conference and you would like to make a donation to GoBridge, please raise your hand and tell us how much would you like to donate, and Matt will be managing this auction.
Yes.
Please start.
So I'm going to need to see $5 first. And what currency should we use? Euros?
Yes.
Yeah, fair enough.
German marks.
Deutschmark, yeah. Okay, euros will do. €5 though. Do I see a bid? I do see a bid of 5. Do I see 10? I see 10 down here. Gentleman there with his hand up has got 10. Do I see 15? I see 15 in the back. Do I see 20? 20 down here, €20. Do I see €25 anywhere? Yes, there's €25. Someone that's actually taken the effort to find a piece of card to hold up, which is great.
Your badge can be the card.
Yeah, 25. Okay, do I see 30? €30. Yes, we do 30. What about 35? Yes, I've got at the back there, gentlemen. 40. 40, yes, Adelina's got 40. What about €45? Oh, yes, we're getting into a bidding war, literally. Okay, what about €50? Do I see €50 anywhere? I do see €50 over there. €55, maybe. Do I see 55? Yes, I see there, gentleman with the pink.
This is a donation to GoBridge.
A donation to GoBridge, 50. Okay, do I see 50? Did I do 55? I'm not very good at this. 60. €60, anyone?
Donations are tax deductible.
Okay, there we go. We've got €60 over there. €65. Yep, we've got 65. 70. Do I see 70? Do I hear 70? I see 70. I've got 70 over here. Do about 75. 75. Looking for 75. Down here at the front, we're a new entry. Coming really high there. Not interested when it was cheap. Now he's like, now I want it. €75 there. What about, do I hear €80 for this little grey thing? Yeah, okay, 85. Anyone? Do I hear 85? €85. €85. Adelina again, yes, 85. Okay, 90. Do I hear you? Do I see €90? 90 euros. €90 here. Yes? Is that? Yeah, okay. 90. Okay, 95. Do I see 95? Yep, Adelina's in. She wants this. What about, what's after 95 one? 100. Do I see? Oh, yes, in the back. New entry, 100. We're into 3 digits. Okay, let's go now. 110. Do I see €110? No, I'm not. Oh, yes, there is 110. Okay, €120 donation. €120. Do I see that anywhere? Are we done? Bidding. Oh, Adelina, 120. 130. Anyone? Otherwise, we're going for 120, unless anyone wants it for €130. Okay, then going once, going twice. Adelina gets it for €120. Come on stage and collect your prize. She did.
Thank you.
Yeah, please come on up stage and bring your card, bring your bank card, or cash.
Unmarked bills.
Again.
We are in Germany. This is the land of cash.
Yes. Give it up for Adelina.
We want the handshake. We want the handshake. Thank you, Adelina. This is awesome. This is a great donation to GoBridge. And on behalf of everybody who got to be supported by GoBridge, thank you very much.
Goodbye.
If you want to support GoBridge with a donation, head to bridgefoundry.org/donate. There's a link in your show notes for easy click-ins. And if you want to support GoTime and all the pods we produce here at Changelog, check out our membership program. Make the ads disappear, get exclusive access to our extended episodes, level up the bitrate on your MP3s, and land yourself a free pack of stickers while you're at it. Check it out at changelog.com/++. Thanks again to our partners at Fastly for the super fast bandwidth, to Fly.io for serving up our Changelog.com app, to the mysterious Breakmaster Cylinder for the dope beats, and to you for listening. We appreciate you. That's all for now. We'll talk to you next time on Go Time.